Sit comfortably with your spine straight, hands resting gently on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your mind and body to settle into stillness. Begin to feel your connection to the ground, sensing stability and rootedness. Slowly scan through your body, noticing any areas of tension, heaviness, or lightness. Gently shift your awareness to the mind, observing if it feels busy or calm, energized or still. Simply witness without judgment. Now focus your attention on the breath as it flows in and out through the nostrils. Notice if the breath feels stronger in one nostril than the other. A dominant left nostril might suggest tamas, grounded or sluggish. Right, suggesting rajas, active or restless. And balance, suggesting sattva, clarity and harmony. Allow yourself to observe this flow, noting how each guna is expressed in your breath without judgment. Shift your focus to the center of your body, from the base of the spine up to the crown of your head, visualizing the central channel, or sushumna. Imagine a gentle flow of energy within this central channel, helping to balance and harmonize the left and right sides of the body and mind. With each breath, feel this channel becoming clearer and more radiant, inviting a sense of centeredness and alignment. Allow your awareness to connect with any feelings of heaviness, rest, or grounding. Notice where tamas is present, perhaps in the body or in your mind. Breathe into these areas, softening any tension or dullness, and allowing tamas to naturally balance within the central channel. Shift your attention to any feelings of movement, restlessness, or energy. Notice the ways rajas appears in your body and mind. Visualize this energy gently flowing into the sushumna, where it can align and settle in balance. Finally, focus on the qualities of lightness, clarity, and ease. Imagine the energy of sattva flowing up through the sushumna, filling it with a calm and balanced light. With each breath, feel this clarity expanding, allowing both body and mind to rest in harmony. Inhale through the spine, from tailbone to crown of head. Feel a golden rod of light. And then exhale from the crown of head all the way back down through the spine. Imagining a golden rod of light. Inhale, tailbone to the crown of the head. And exhale, crown of the head. Continue to sense this golden rod of light, balancing tamas, rajas, and sensing sattva. Feel yourself creating that tranquility and peace as you continually inhale and exhale, imagining this golden rod rising up and down the central channel. When you're ready, come back to the physical body. Feel how you've changed your state of being. Softly open your eyes and go about your day in this deeper state of equilibrium.